So I learned this hack from Alex Hormozi after having the opportunity to work with his team recently, and it's stupidly simple. But boy does it work. I'm already producing 2 to 3 times the content, which has allowed me to fire up my channel and gain more growth after barely uploading for the last few months. So if you implement one thing in 2025, then do this. You'll grow much faster than 90% of other creators out there. It's called the rule of 300. Now, Alex states that most of us suffer from a traffic problem in our businesses, especially in the beginning, as we like to tweak things and try to make everything perfect just so that we can get customer ready. But what we should be doing is pushing volume. And as a new creator, we suffer from a views problem as well, which is basically another word for traffic. Either way, you have an attention issue. You want more eyeballs on your videos and products, even if the quality isn't quite there yet. To quote Hormozi, more then better. For that reason, you need to be spending most of your time and resources on fixing the traffic issue first. You can't grow and make money if nobody knows that you exist. So Hormozi states that you should be spending 100 minutes on content, 100 minutes on outreach, and $100 on ad spend each day minimum. Now, the good news is that as a creator, your goal is simpler. You aren't going to be doing ads or outreach, so all of your attention can go into the single focus of YouTube. You should be doing 300 minutes of content creation every single day. Now, with that said, if you have a full-time job, then just aim for 100 minutes per day. But if you're working on your channel and business full-time, then make sure that you do the 300 minutes. So to confirm, that's 100 minutes or 1 hour and 40 minutes per day if you're part-time, and 300 minutes or 5 hours per day if you're full-time. This includes research, planning, thumbnails, script writing, recording, and editing, but nothing else. The timer starts and stops when these tasks stop or you get distracted. I use a timer app set to 5 hours on my iPad, but any timer will do. What you'll quickly notice is that the 5 to 6 hours that you think that you spend on content is actually more like 3. You may feel busy, but you probably aren't busy working on the right tasks. As a creator, you should be creating. More of the right views means more money. And it's eye-opening how little time we often spend actually doing this when monitored. If you spend a minimum of 100 minutes every day, which is about 12 hours per week on creating videos, then your channel will grow and the results will quickly snowball. But you need to be relentless with this if you want it to work. And if you want a day off, then you need to earn it by making it up somewhere else. If you want to upload 1 to 2 videos per week, then you need to be doing this minimum amount. And if you can't make it work with 100 minutes per day, then you need to simplify until you can either find more help or free up more time. YouTube rewards consistency and relevancy. The Daily 100 allows you to do this. And yes, by all means, spend time learning and working on your business, but the 100 is non-negotiable, and as a content creator, it always comes first. There's a podcast you want to watch? Do the 100. There's some new shiny, amazing sounding product out there? Do the 100. Whatever it is, do the 100. So with that said, give it a try, and I'll see you in the next one.